What's that, Tone? How you doing, buddy?
With Arizona having swept San Francisco each of the past 2 seasons, you would think that there's no cause for alarm.
Their primary job is to help you communicate, give you all the information you can.
As long as we can keep my blood pressure low, I'm good.
Oh, it's easy.
However, to avoid falling into last place in the NFC West, Bruce Arians and the Cardinals needed a victory over the 49ers.
Have fun. Right here, baby. Big down. Let's go 3 and out. 3 and out. Hey, blitzing.
1st and 20 of the 21 of Arizona.
It's gotta go. Go, go, go.
It's play action. Back to throw goes Hoyer. Steps up and gets sacked by the Badger at the 22-yard line. Has time. Everybody covered. Rolling right in trouble and grabbed by Olsen Pierre and sacked.
The turnover, baby. Here we go.
Shotgun snap. Hoyer straight drop back. Has time. Throws deep left side.
Pick, pick, pick.
Overthrown and picked off by Bethea at the 45 in San Francisco territory.
Let's go, D.
Coach, you like that metal screen to start off with that they blitzing like they coming upfield hard. Let's slip on the knee and get the metal screen. I'll be running up on the mic. Just think about it.
Give me some protection right here now. We got a touchdown. 44, 44, no picks.
Palmer in shotgun. Takes the snap, drops back to Peck. Has time, throws left side in the end zone, and a diving stab by Ellington. He gets the feet down for a touchdown.
Hey, Dre, we in? We in?
Hell yeah.
Oh, baby.
Previous play will go under review.
That's touchdown every way. That says touchdown every time.
Yeah, I'll get it for you. They're struggling with this and obviously trying to figure this one out. This is what we're trying to do. Tight.
Touchdown.
Okay, we're going to reverse. We're going to reverse.
What? On what? On what? How the you reverse? How?
Bruce Arians is just beside himself.
Rightfully so. Clear and obvious to overturn. No way do I see that on this play. This should have remained a touchdown.
Hey! I want an explanation. That's a damn touchdown.
It's going to be a 23-yard straightaway field goal for Robbie Gould, and it's good. The Cardinals down by 3 with 2:24 to go in overtime.
Coach, they didn't even cover me on that divide.
That's what he was going to throw to you. No, they didn't cover Larry. Carson, we'll start back with the cab. I'd like to get another, once we get there, another go ball on this guy over here. Because we ran right by him.
Did he?
Oh, God, he's 5 yards behind him.
All right.
Let's answer now, let's answer.
Clock is running 38 seconds and counting.
Gotta go, we gotta go, we gotta go.
Back to throw goes Palmer. Looks over the middle, throws end zone for Fitz, goes up and makes the game-winning catch. Larry Legend does it again. Touchdown. Cardinals win.
Somehow, some way, Big Red is going to win this game.
Now, what I said the other night, I hope this game will come down like this. We will find out what we're made out of. We can't relax. We got to grow with this. Now we know what we got.